Have you seen the screen? Everybody seen the screen? Hello? Screen this day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will start this session. Last two to three session we are discussing the all the instruction, not all but more instructions related to the 8085 there. Using that instructions we are doing the programming there. This is our today's our practical session is there and programming section is there. Here we are discussing how to run the program on your 8085 simulator. So we are discussing the two to three programs are there. The programs are related to the addition of two numbers, which is 8 bit, then addition of two numbers of 16 bits, then subtraction of two numbers of the 8 bits and subtraction of two numbers of the 16 bits are there. So this is our today's session is there. So first I'm going to discuss the all programs related with 8085 by using the PPT. Then we will see the output of this program on your simulator software, which is 8085 is there. Here we are using the kit also to run the program is there, but when we are college will start, then we will see on kit is there. But here we are discussing the program on simulator is there. Simple programming is there. All the instruction we are discussing previous lectures are there. One point is remaining, which the addressing modes. We are discussing in next lecture addressing mode is there, and then we will go to the next chapter, which is 8051 is there. So this is the our first program, which is write a program to add two numbers are there. So this is the first program. This is the first program to write a program to add two 8-bit numbers. This is the first program is there. Write a program to add two 8-bit numbers. So this is the instructions are there, and result also I'm shown in below is there. So go to the one by one instruction are there, and then we'll go to the program. First program we have to discuss, then we will see the output of this program on our simulator. Then we're discussing the second program, then we will see the output of this program into the simulator is there. So this is the first program. Two 8-bit numbers are there. Two 8-bit numbers. Okay. So first 8-bit numbers is first instruction of this MVI A03H. This is the first instruction is there. See, I'm discussing in previous also all the instructions of the addition, subtraction, and logical instruction or arithmetic instruction are done with the accumulator. So you must use the accumulator for addition purposes there. Then first we have to take the MVI. MVI means move immediate. We are discussing MVI A, 03 means directly 03 is the number, which is hex number we have to add or move into the accumulators there. So this, it is the move instruction is there. First move instruction is there. 03 is the number. You have to move the 03 number into the accumulator is there. So first you have to move the 03 number into the accumulator is there. Next part is you have to move immediate addressing mode. This is the immediate addressing mode. In that address mode, you have to move the 02 is another number into the B register is there. So you have to move the 02 number into the B register is there. Okay. So accumulator contain one number which is 03, and B is the another register which is 8-bit register is 02. See, all the two registers A and B are the 8-bit register. How can we the 8-bit register? See, here is the 03. Okay, here is our 03 is the number. Okay, 03 is the number. How to write in binary? 03 number is 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay, this is the 4-bit, and 3. How to write 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 3 is there. So this is for the 4-bit. This is for the 4-bit. So it is the 8-bit. So accumulator is store only 8-bit data. See, all the registers are present in our 8085. I'll store the 8-bit data directly. It is not store the 16-bit. For the 16-bit store data, we have to pair the registers is there, and you have to pair the register by the processor is there. The which who manufacture the processor, he decide the whose registers are within combined register is there. So all the registers are the 8-bit registers are the only program counter, and stack pointer are the 16-bit register is there. So here is a 03 is the 8-bit register. This 8-bit register which store the 03 number into the accumulator is there. Then B is the another register which is a 02 is another number which is stored into the B is there. Okay. So these two numbers we have to add. First number 03 and second number is 02. You have to add these two numbers. How to add? See the instruction, add B. Add B means what? What is the meaning of this add B is there? Add B means A is equal to A is equal to A is equal to A plus B. A is equal to A plus B. This is the meaning of this add B is there. This is the meaning of the add B is there. Add B means what? Accumulator contain a number 03, B is the contain number 02. Add these two numbers and store the result into the A is there. Store result into the A is there. So A is contain 02 plus, sorry, A is contain 03 plus B is contain 02. B is contain 02 and add these two numbers and store this number into the accumulator, which is 05. What is the value of the accumulator? 05. So first value of 03 is replaced with the 05. You will get the answer is addition of these two number is 05 is there. Okay. Then another instruction is, what is the instruction? MVI A comma C. This is not MVI. We have to move A comma C. MVI is wrong. We will discuss. Move A comma C is the instruction there. We will discuss, and then halt is the program is there. Okay. So we'll go to the programming. How to do this instruction are. Okay, there is a move C comma A. The instruction is there. See, not is the instruction is move C comma A. So A is the value content 5. It is moved to the register is the another register is the C is there. Now to move the register is the C is there. Okay. So this is a programming is there. So 03 is written like this. 02 is right like this. And this is the answer 05, which is the C answer is there in register C. This is the answer is there 0100. So how to run this program? We'll discuss on this is the 8085 simulator. See, this is the 8085 simulator is there. In left side, you can see that 8085 simulators are there. Okay. See, how to simulator we have to download. In your net connection, internet, go to the Google is there and write down the 8085 simulator is there. Write down 8085 simulator. This zip file will be generated and you have to open this, extract this zip file. This will folders will be generated. Okay. By using these folders, go to the source code and 8085 simulator and go to the 8085 compiler v0. Only one thing should be remember, after the 8085 simulator will be download as a zip file. After that you have to download the Java setup is there, because without the Java setup 8085 simulator will not be run is there. This program, this window will not be open if and only if you have to install the Java is there. So you have to install Java setup is there. After that you have to install the then you have to open the 8085 is there. So how to download the 8085 simulator? Go to the Internet Explorer, then you have to go to the Google is there. Write down on Google 8085 simulator is there. Then download the 8085 simulator. After that you will get the zip file of the 8085. After zip file you have to extract this zip file. After extraction you have to see this type of the folders, and in that folders go to the source code, and after the source code then 8085 simulator, and then go to the 8085 compiler v0. Go to the 8085 compiler v0. But before go to the 8085 compiler v0, you have to first install the Java setup. First you have to install the Java setup. Directly you have to go to the Google is there, then write down the Java setup is there, download this exe file, then run this exe file. Java setup will be run, and then your 8085 will be open is there. Without Java installer 8085 will not be open is there. So remember this thing is there. So this is our 8085 simulator, how to download this simulator and how to open is there. After open you have to see this is the window of the 8085 is there. So this is the assembler is there. Then you have to assemble means what? You know that you have to convert the assembly means instruction into the binary code. Assembler means you have to convert the instruction into the binary code is there. We are discussing first, you have to see the all the window, then you will go to the program is there. So these are the registers. This is the accumulator, B register, C, D, E, H, L. Okay. These are the registers are there, and M is the memory where you have to store the data is there. How many bit registers are 0 to 7? म्हणजे how many 8 bit registers are there? That's why writing the 8 bit. This is the MSB and this is the LSB. 0 to 7 is there. Okay. Next part is the flag registers are there. Zero flag, sign. This is the sign flag. This is zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, and carry flag are there. After that, these stack pointers are there. HL memory, program status word means this is the program status word. Then program counter, cycle instruction counters are there, and this is the SIM and RIM are there. Okay, how to interrupt enable and how to set the interrupt and how to read the interrupts are there. So SIM and RIM is there. Okay, then this is our memory editor is there where you have to store the data is there, and this is the input output ports are there. When you connected the input output ports to 8085, the address will be come to the here is there. So this is the window of this, and memory is 00FF is there. So memory is 00FF is there. Okay, so first we have to run the program by using this 8085 simulator. See, I'll copy the program. So this is the program is there. Then you have to go to the assemble the program. Go to the assemble the program. See, after assemble, you have to see this type of the label is there. Means this type of the window is there. In that window, we have to see the each and every. This is the address where the locations are stored. This is the address where the location are stored. You see the here address. 00 is the address. First is the 3E and then 0. What is how 3 2E 3 we will discuss first. This is the 3E and 03 is there. Then this is the address where you have to start the location. We have to store the program is there. So this is the location. Another is mnemonics is called the instructions. It is the instruction. It is the hex code. Hex code means MVIA. MVIA is denoted by the 3E. See, MVIA is denoted by the 3E, and this value 03 you have to return here. 03 is written here is there. The instruction is 2 bytes. Then cycles and t-states are the timing diagrams are there. You must remember the how many bytes of the instruction there are. Instruction are the 2 bytes. How 2 bytes? Because MVIA is 3E. MVIA is 3E. We require the 8 bits to store the 3 is there, and another 3 is the value which is required 8 bit to store this 03 is there. So how many bits required to store these instructions are the 16 bit. This is the 8 bit and this is the 8 bit 16 bit. So you can say this instruction is 2 byte instruction. So this instruction is called the 2 byte instruction. Next, see MVIB 0,2. We require the MVIB, the hex code is the 2606 and 02 is the value. So we require the 2 8 bits to store this instruction. So it is the 2 byte instruction is there. So it is the 2 byte instruction is there. See another ADIB. ADIB is only a 1 is 80 is there. We require a 1 hex code is 80 is there. So it is a 1 byte instruction is there. It is the 1 byte instruction there. See, when there is an online question paper will come, online question paper, they may be asked such a type of there. If MVI is 0,3, how many bits this instruction is? How many bits this instruction is? So you must remember that this is the 2 byte instruction is there, or 1 byte instruction is there. There is a 2 byte or 1 byte instruction is there. Then add B. Add B is the 1 byte instruction is there. We require only a hex code is there. Okay, understood? So this is the hex code. This is the how many bytes of the instruction, how many machine cycles to execute that instructions are there. Then and last one is the t states are there. How many t states required to execute this type of the instruction is there. Okay, so we will discuss how to assemble and how to get the output. Then we will go to the hex code is after run the program. We will see the output on this, and then we will go to the how hex code we require. What is the use of that hex code is there in 8085 is there. So first, this is the assemble is there. Okay, assemble program, everything will be done. See, here is Start address is 000. They start at 00. Step by step execution. We are doing the step by step execution. See the step. He see here accumulated step by step execution. Step by step. First step you have to execute. What will happen? See. First step is what? Accumulator will be go to the 03. 03 will go to the accumulator. See. 03 will be go to the accumulator is there. Next step forward. Next step is what? 02 is the another number. It will go to the B. See, it is a B register which contain a 02. A register is contain a 03 there. Then you have to add these two numbers. After this instruction, what is add B? Add B means what? 3 plus 2 is 5, and this 5 is added into the accumulator there. So forward is there. See the instruction. It is a 5 is there. Okay, 5. How to add the 5? See here. How to add the 5? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. It is the 5 there. This is the LSB and this is the MSB. Then 02 is there. 02 means what? 0, 0, then 2 is there. Okay. So here we have to add 0B into the 2 there. Then move C comma A is there. Forward instruction is there. And then alt is there. Okay. So this is the instruction that we have to C comma A. Stop. See, the value is stored into the 05 is the D instruction is there. You have to transfer the value of 05 at the instruction D is there. You will get the answer is the 05 is there. Okay. See, what is the use of that hex code is there? What is the use of that hex code is there? 3E0360602 80 57 and 76. See, if you have a kit of the 8085, when you get the kit of the 8085, what we have to do? First, you have to write down the program in this way. First, you have to write down the program in this way. MVI A03H, you have to write down the program in this way. After writing this program, you have to find the hex code of each and every instruction. So first MVI A, what is the hex code? Is the 3 is there. Then 03 is the value, so you have to write down the 03 is there. After that A, MVI B is the hex code is the 06 there. 2 is your value is there. After that add B is the hex code is the 80 is there. Move D comma A, hex code is 57 and halt is the 76 is there. So first you have to write down the program is there. After that program, you have to find out the hex code and write down the hex code this way. After writing the hex code, you have to take the kit of the 8085. After start the kit, then in that kit you have to put all this hex code. Means first you have to put 3E 03 06 02 80 57 and 76. After putting all this hex code into your 8085 key, then there is a one button is execute is there. After the execution, you can see the output on accumulator and register B, or you will get the answer directly is the 05 is there. You have to see the direct answer on the 05 is there. So this way you have to execute the program is there. Okay, so next we have to store the result on location. Suppose I want to store this value at that some location is STA300H is there. Means here where we have to store, I am store the value at register B is there, but I want to store this value, which value? 05 value at location 3000H is now 3000H is there, 16-bit. We have to store the result at the 6. See, assemble the program. Okay, just I want to show something. STA3000 is how many byte instruction? It is the 3 byte instruction. Remember one thing in 8085 having the 3 types of instruction. First instruction is 1 byte instruction, second type is the 2 byte instruction, and third type is the 3 byte instruction is there. 1 byte instruction you can see is the add b is the 1 byte instruction is there. Halt 76 is the 1 byte instruction is there. Okay, another 2 byte instructions are there. Which are the 2 byte instructions are there? MVI A03, these are the 2 byte instruction is there. MVI is required the 3e and 03 is required a number which is the 03 is there. But in 3 byte instruction, see 3 byte instruction, how this 3 byte instruction for the STA is having the hex code is 32. See, STA is having the hex code is 32 and 00 and 30. 00 and 30 are the value where you have to store the data which is present in accumulator. STA means you have to store the data present in accumulator to the location 30000 is there. So these 00 and 30. 00 and 30 are the how many bits? This is the 16 bits are there and this is 8-bit. So all these instruction is the 3 byte instruction is there. So if anybody asks or in the oral online examination they ask how many byte types of the bytes instruction present in 8085, there are 3 types of the instruction is there. One is the 1 byte instruction, then 2 byte instruction, and another is the 3 byte instruction. Understood? So this is 3 byte instructions are there is. So STA 3000H is the 3 byte instruction is there. So what is our program is there? What we have to change in the program is there? We have to add these two numbers, store the data into the accumulator, and then we have to transfer the data at location 300H to see where is the location is there. So I'm directly step-by-step execution we have to doing. See, in accumulator is 03. We are see here accumulator is contain a 03. Then our B is contain a 02 is there. Our B is contain 02. This 2 is 02 and 3 is 5, which is stored into the B is there. A is there. So 05 is the A is there. Okay, 05 is the A is there. Then after that you have to store the location 3000 is 3000 is where is the location of 3000. So you will go to the 3000 is forward is there. Okay, and then hold the program. So where is the 3000? Here we have to find out the 3000 H is there. See, here is 3000 H is there, and here is the value 05. See, here is the values that 0. Understood? Okay, so there is a location 3000 H, and here we have to store the value 05. Show in the memory location. Okay, so there is a locations where you have to 001 store 3E, 0102, 6E, 03, 80, 32, 30, then 76 is the halt, and directly you have to store the location where you have to store the 05 is there. Understood? So this is the entire our scheme is there. Here is the location 0, 01, 02, 03, 04 up to the 08 is there. Halt instruction is there, and from 03, 03000H you have to store the value which is the files. Understood? So this is the program for the addition of the 2-bit numbers. Addition of 2 8-bit numbers is there. Okay, understood everybody? How to use the 8085 is there? Okay, so we'll go to the next program. We will go to the next program. So we'll go to the next program, which is the write a program to add two 16-bit numbers. Write a program to add two. This is the first two practicals on your subject is there. These are two practicals of the subject. First practical is to add the two 16-bit and 8-bit numbers, and second practical is to add the to subtract the two 8-bit and 16-bit. See, simple like same program, you have to only replace this add with the SUB is there. Then 8-bit subtraction is there. You have to replace the add with the SUB is there. We'll discuss this. So this is our program is there. So write a program to to add two 16-bit numbers. Write a program to add two 16-bit number. So for that purpose, for 8-bit, what we have to use? For 8-bit, you have to use the instruction is MVI. This is the instruction for the 8-bit store. But here we have to use LXI. Load 16-bit data by using this instruction LXI. Okay, LXI B 0104 is there. Then you say B is the 8-bit register. You know that B is the 8-bit register. Then how can he store the 0104? It is the 16-bit register. Okay, your question is your mind is says if B is the, I'm saying B is the 8-bit register is there, then how 0104 is the 16-bit data stored into the B is there. I am saying firstly this B is combined register with the C is there. Okay, BC is the register pair we have to store the 16-bit data. Then D is another pair 16-bit data you have to store, and another pair is the HL where we have to store this. These are the three pairs which is used for the store the 16-bit data. These are the three pairs where you have to use to store the 16-bit data is there. Okay, so LXI B means what? What is the meaning of the LXI B means? 04 is stored at the zero 04 is stored at location register, at location register C is there, and 01 which is the higher bit you have to store at the location B is there. At the location B means register B is there. Okay, then LXI D 0503. 0503 means D is contain a value of 05 which is the MSB is there, and E is contain a value 03 where is the E is there. So this is the 03 is there. Okay, this is the 03 is there. Understood. So 05 is stored at register D and 03 is register 4 is there. When you give this instruction LXI, LXI B and LXI D, microprocessor and automatically create a pair of register with B, register pair of C, the register D with pair of E is there. So by using this register pair, 8-bit is stored at some register and another register is contain the another 8-bit is there. So higher bit is stored at B and lower bit is stored at the C is there, higher bit is stored at the D and lower bit is stored at the E is there. Understood? So this is the LXI is there. After that, what is the instruction is there? After that, you have to use the move A comma C. You have to see move A comma C. What is the meaning of move A comma C? What is the value of C? C is contain value 04. C is contain value 04. This 04 is go to the accumulator. This 04 will go to the accumulator is there. Okay, this 04 is goes to the accumulator is there. After the accumulator is store the value of 04. Then you have to add E. Add E means what? Accumulator is contain value 04. Add E means E contain value 03. 04 plus 03, you will get the answer is 7. You will get the answer is 7, and this answer 7 is stored into the accumulator. This answer 7 is stored into the accumulator is there. So 04 plus 03, this value 7, you have to store the accumulator 07 is there. Then what will you have to do? After that, you have to transfer the 07 into the register L is there. You transfer the 07 into the register L is there. So L is contain a value is 07. Understood? L is contain a value is 07. L is contain a value of 07 is there. Okay, understood. So first lower bit, you have to take lower bit into the accumulator from first register B to C. C is contain the lower bit is transfer into the accumulator. After transferring the accumulator, what we have to do? Then we have to add this lower bit with the register DE pair. We have to lower bit of the DE pair is E is the lower bit. Then add lower bit of the D register and the lower bit of the BC register. Then this addition is transferred to the L register, which is the pair is the HL is there, which is the pair of the HL is there. So you have to store the register lower bit into the register E is there. Okay, understood? Then next what we have to take the higher byte. Higher byte means so you have to take B into A is there. B into A. B is contain value 01 is there, is transferred to the A is there. Then he says add A. Add D, sorry, add D is there. Add D means D is contain the value 05. D is contain a value of 0.5. This value is add with the B which contain a value 0.1 is there. So what is the answer is there? So what is the answer is there? So answer is 0.6. So answer is the 0.6. Answer is the 0.6. Answer is the 0.6 is there. So H register is contain a value 0.6. L register is contain a value 0.7. So you will get the answer is 0.67 into the HL register. 0.67 into the HL register is there. 0.6 into the HL register is there. Okay, understood. So this is the result is there. See, just result we are discussing here. Result is C. BC is contain a value 0.1 and 0.4. 0.1 and 0.4. D is contain a value of 0.5 and 0.3 is there. D is contain value of 0.5 and 0.3 is there. So addition of this 0.4 plus 0.3 is 0.7 is there. 0 plus 0.3 is stored into the 0.7 which is stored into the L is there. And after that 0.5 and 0.1 it is stored into the 0.6 is there. So H is contain a 0.6. So whole result is 0.6, 0.7 which is stored into the our HL pair is there. Which is stored into the our HL pair is there. So this is the 16-bit addition is there. This is the 16-bit addition is there. So for 16-bit addition, we have to use which instruction is LXI for load the 16-bit data. We have to use the instruction LXI and directly our microprocessor create a pair of the register where we have to store the 16-bit data is there. Where we have to store the 16-bit data is there. So first you have to take the lower bit data and after that you have to take the higher bit data and add these two data and directly it is stored into the, or we have to smooth the register store into the H and L pair is there. So we will discuss this program. Just I am saying we have discussed by softwarely how it is run is there. How it is run is there. Okay. So this is the program. I'm just copy paste this program. Okay, then assemble the program. Okay, we can see the assemble the program. LXI is also 3-byte instruction. How many 3-byte instruction are stored is a 3-byte instruction and LXI is also 3-byte instruction is there. Okay, remaining are the 8-bit 1-byte instructions are there. So one by one we have to step by step you have to see the output is there. Then where which I'm saying see how register will be store the data is there. So step by step instruction. First instruction is see what is the first instruction is you have to store the register B with 0.1 and 0.4. See step instruction. See 0B where B is stored into the 1 and C is stored with the 0.4. So higher byte is stored at the 0.1 into the register B and lower byte is stored into the 0.4 which is register C is there. So directly automatically it create a pair of B and C is there. Lower byte stored at the C and higher byte is stored at the B is there. Okay, this is the first instruction. After next instruction C forward. See 0.5 and 0.3. See 0.5 means which is the 0.5 D and E. 0.5 is the higher byte stored into the register D and 0.3 is the lower byte stored into the register E is there. Okay, this is the storage of the data is there. So next instruction move C comma A. C is what is the value of the C? It's transferred to the accumulator which is the 4 is. So accumulator contain values 4 is there. See after that instruction accumulator will go to the 4 is there. See accumulator will see the value which is the 4 is there. So you have to move the data present in 4. Your transfer to the accumulator is there. Okay. Next is there. After that, what we have to do? What we have to do? Then next is the add E is there. E is contain a value 0.3, 0.3 and 0.4. You will get the 0.7 and the value stored into the accumulator is there. The value is stored into the accumulator is there. See, accumulator will go to the 7 is there. See, accumulator goes to the 7 is there. Okay, understand? Accumulator goes to the 7 is there. After that, what is the next instruction? What is next instruction? We have to move this 7 into the L is there. You have to move the 7 into the L is there. So L is value will be 0, 7. After that instruction, L will be the 0, 7. See, L will be the 0, 7 is there. After 0, 7, what we have to do? We have to move the B into A. B is contain a value 0, 1. 0 will go to the accumulator. So accumulator will be 0, 1 is there. Accumulator will be 0, 1 is there. After that, add D. What is the value of the D is there? D is contain value is 5. Accumulator is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And this 6 is stored into the accumulator is there. This 6 is stored into the accumulator there. And this 6 is transferred to the H. In the instruction is move A comma H. Your transfer the accumulator to the H is there. So A is the content value is 6. Your transfer is into the H. So H will be go to the 0, 6 is there. Okay. So H is the 6 and 7 is there. So higher byte 1 plus 5 is 6, which is stored into the register. H is there, and 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, which is stored in the lower bit is the L is there. So this is the addition of the 16 bit is there. This is the addition of the 16-bit data is there. Okay, understood? So this is the addition of the 16-bit data. The same program we have to do for the subtraction is there. We're discussing shortly all the instruction subtraction for that. See. This is the addition is there. Same program, only we have to replace this add with the B is there. This is you have to write down the SUB is there. Okay, SUB B is there. So result at the C. We'll copy this instance. Same program, only we have to replace add with the B is there. Add with the B is there. This is the copy is there. Store into the here. Control. Only we have to subtract this data, then assemble this. After assemble, you have to see only the instruction SUB is there, 90 is there. So see step-by-step execution is there, step by step. What is step-by-step execution? A is contain value 0, 3. See, A is contain value 0, 3. Forward, B is contain value 0, 2. B is contain value of the 0, 2. Then add these, subtract these two. Answer is the 1, which is stored into the accumulator is there. 1 is stored into the accumulator is there. Then you have to store the result at 3000. You have to store the result at 3000, which is the 1 is there. So forward 3000 is there. And execution will be stopped. So here is the 3000. So where you have to find out 3000, you have to this here. Here is the 3000 is there. Here 3000 where you have to store result is the 1 is there. So only the load memory location. Here is the 3000, its contain a value is the 0, 1 is there. Okay. If I'm writing like this, what happens? See, if I'm writing A is the 0, 2 and B is the 0, 1. So what is the answer is there? See, assemble the program. Okay, and see the step-by-step execution. Accumulator is contain a value is 0, 2. Okay, then your register B is contain a value 0, 3. Sorry, 0, 3. Disassemble the program. Assemble. Here we have to B. You have to store the value 0, 3 is there. Okay, and you have to assemble the program. Then step-by-step execution. See, first is 0, 2 is the accumulator. B is 0, 3 is there. Okay, then subtract B. Okay, so what is the answer is the FF is contain accumulator is there. See, here is the sign flag. Here is the sign flag become a 1 is there. Our sign flag is become 1, auxiliary carry become 1, and carry become. Why sign flag is 1? Because your answer is negative. Because your answer is negative, so you will sign flag will be 1 is there. Your answer is negative, so your sign flag will be 1 is there, and auxiliary carry and carry flag also 1, because after the subtraction you will get the answer is negative answer. You have to carry will be generated, auxiliary carry will be a generated. When you subtract 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 is there. After that, you will sign flag will be 1, auxiliary carry will be 1, and carry flag will be 1. See, symbol the program. See, here is the sign flag is 0, auxiliary carry flag is 0, and then this one will be 0. Run all at a time, then see what will happen. Run at a time, see what is the sign flag will be 1, auxiliary carry flag will be 1, and carry flag will be 1, because your answer is negative, because 0, 2 minus 0, 3 is there. 0, 2 is the less number, 0, 3 is the more. So you have to from lower number is subtract from higher number is subtract from lower number, then you will generate a carry flag is there, auxiliary carry is there, and also you have to generate the sign flag is there. So this is the program is there. So last program we have discussed. Then we'll next program is last program. Okay, this one is the LXI. See here what is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 5. You will get the answer is the BC. B's value is contain value is just I'm taking the 3, 2, 5, 6 are there. So first is the value, then another D is contain a value is 1, 2, 3, 4. After this subtraction, you will get the answer is 2022. You will get the answer is 2022 is there. So you have to copy this, then see on your Java kit. Okay, 0. Then assemble the program. No errors are there. So see what will happen. 0, 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6 is there, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. You have to subtract till what will happen. See, one by one we are discussing. First, okay, B and C. Lower byte, higher byte is 32 and lower byte is 56. You have to store into the B and C is there. After first instruction execution, after this instruction, next instruction, after this instruction, what will happen? After this instruction, higher byte is stored into the D and lower byte is stored into the 34 is there. Next byte is there. Higher byte is 12, lower byte is 34 is there. Okay. After that, you have to move C into the A is there. What is value of the C? C is 56 is moved to the A is there. So 56 becomes to the A is there. Then you have to subtract E. Subtract E means 56 minus 34. 56 minus 34, you will get the answer, and this answer is stored into the accumulator is there. So what is the answer is 22. It is stored into the accumulator, and this 22 is transferred to the L register. You transfer to the L register, so 22 will become a L register is there. 22 become the L register is there. After that, you have to move the B to the A. So higher byte of the B register is 32. It will go to the accumulator is there. So 32 become a accumulator is there. After 32, what will happen? You have to subtract D. Mean 32 minus D. D's contained value is 12. So what will be the answer? Your answer is 20. This 20 is stored into the accumulator is there. So this 20 is stored into the accumulator is there. After that, you have to move this accumulator to the H is there. So we have to move this accumulator to the H is there, means 22 is transferred to the H. You will get the 20 answer at the H is there. So forward to the H is there. So 20 as the H is there. Okay. So this is the program is there for the subtraction and addition of the 16 and 8 bits are there. So you have to stop this program. So this is the 808 simulator is there. These are the 4 programs we are discussing, or you have in your practical session is there. Addition of the 2 numbers of 8-bit and addition of 2 numbers of the 16 bits are there. Okay. So this is the program. If you have any difficulty, ask me. Just I'm taking the present is there. If you have any difficulty, ask me. 5 minutes are there. So in practical session, if you have the kit is there, you have to put the hex value into that kit and you will get the answer, which is the answer of 16-bit and 8-bit is there. So how to see the answer? We have to go to the location or you have to go to the register directly. You will see the answer is there. Okay. If you have any difficulty, ask me. 5 minutes are there. See, in addition and subtraction, we have to create a pair of the, and 8085 different simulators are there. There is also 8085 simulator just like our 8051 also simulator is there. By using, you have to directly see the programs are there. Use Ramakant Gaikwar book for the 8085 there. There are different programs are present in Ramakant Gaikwar there. Refer this book, and by using this book, you have to download this simulator 8085 on your PCs there and see the programs. See, your logic will be developed only when you have to see the how the output is given by the processor is there. After the instruction, what is the output is there. If you understand this, then your logic will be developed, because you must know that if you execute, if you give the instruction to the processor, then you must know how the processor give the answer to you. You must know that, then your logic will be developed is there. That's why these two programmings are there, because here we have to develop your logic is there. When you give the instruction, how processor will be done, how the processor will be go to the that register, and how register will work out that. So you must understand all these things, then you will get the output is there and your logic will be developed is there.